Alright, well, I'm off then. Wait, you're leaving? Yeah, once I get out the store. So wait, hold on, you're gone? Like, forever? Yeah, no. I'm just heading out just for a few. Oh, okay. So, where are you going? I'm just gonna grab a few things just to, help you out. Well, I need protein and mouthwash while you're out, so... No, not that. I'm gonna do something that's gonna bring us a fat dollar. No, don't worry. No, I'm not doing that. I'm not hooking. Well, if you do, get the money up front. You're a dick, you know that? I've been called worse, I can assure you. Bye! Dick. Oh, finally. Hey guys! Only Nolan here. Today, we're doing things a little differently. I mean, cause, hear that? No self-doubt. And that gives me the opportunity to talk about something that I don't really get to talk about when he's here. And that's pretty much me opening up about my own little insecurities. Because sometimes I feel when self-doubt's here, I have to be always on my A game. And really, I just want to talk about something that's been really bugging me lately. Because can we really call ourselves writers if we're not worrying about something that may not even happen in the future? And that is the book cover. So it goes two ways here. If you go traditional publishing, you don't need to worry about that nonsense. Why? The cover's picked out for you. So if I go that way, not a big deal. But what if I decide I want to do self-publishing? Now I just got all that on the back plate. Now I know what people are going to say. Why are you worrying about that? Just pay somebody. Well, I feel like I'm obligated, seeing as I have a background in graphics, to, I don't know, do my own cover. And sure, maybe I will decide on somebody else doing it. Why not worry about it right now? So let's just say I'm going to make my own cover. What I need to remember here is this is going to be that first judgment. Everyone says don't judge a book by its cover, but guess what? We're always judging it. The front cover is pretty much the first thing that could grab a possible sale. Everyone goes on about the back cover, yada yada yada. That's like your best selling point. No, it's not. Because guess what? The back cover is only good if somebody picks up the damn book to begin with. If you're not grabbing somebody's attention with the front cover, the back cover is pretty much useless. I mean, if self-doubt were here, he'd say, I have something to be worried about. That makes sense. But if self-doubt were worrying, what I'd say to him is, why are you worrying about it? Here's the thing. There are multiple things you need to convey with your front cover, but a couple of things are you need to convey the message or the theme of the story with your front cover. This is where I'm starting to lose my shit. You only have 3 opportunities to do it. First thing is the title of your book. Now this is wishy-washy because titles of the books can be like right on the nose or they're a little bit vague. Take Self-Doubt's book, Spies Undercover. That's pretty on the nose, and that tells you exactly what this book is going to be about. But the majority of stories aren't like that. Take The Hunger Games, for example. Knowing what the story's about, The Hunger Games makes sense as the title. But for any person walking by the book and has never heard of The Hunger Games, they're going to think it's a hot dog eating contest, or something of the likes. So then we're left with 2 other things that are going to convey the theme. First thing, the graphic in itself. What does the design actually look like of the book cover? Here's the thing. You can make the most beautiful looking book. I have a book cover that I think looks nice. I go, ooh, I like this. But there might be a problem with it. What's the problem? It does not convey the theme of the book at all. It is literally the logo of the agency that's in my book. It looks stunning. But guess what? Showing a logo to someone who has never heard of this book before, or read about the agency of the assassination squad, it doesn't really do anything. So now what do I do? Okay, I'm left with one other thing. That is the damn tagline. Put a nice tagline and it can convey everything. So my book, which I just said, the cover is the logo of the agency, which probably is not going to work because it doesn't convey any theme. And the second part of my book is the title, which has angels in it. And no, I'm not talking about Charlie's Angels. No, not happening. Not even close. So anybody walking by reading it's going to think it has to do with, religion or something. Which doesn't really convey a assassination squad, does it? So the third thing is the tagline. Making a tagline that is catchy and all that is extremely difficult. That's just my drama for this week. Because self-doubt isn't here, and I don't need to listen to him bitch behind my back going, you suck, Nolan. I just wanted to bring that up to everybody. Maybe you guys have some suggestions on what I can do to make a good tagline. Let me know down below, because right now, I'm struggling. That's pretty much everything I've got today. Just wanted to rant about that because hopefully, in time to come, I can look back on this and go, look, what were you worrying about, Nolan, right? Either way, if you have any suggestions, let me know down below because I'm pretty desperate. I've been worrying about this for how many days now? And while you're at it, maybe help me out by giving me a like because once again, I'm getting desperate. It's a little thing and it really does go a long way. Who would have thought? And if you haven't already, why not hit the subscribe button and join Self-Doubt and myself on our little writing journey whenever he's here. We have new videos of it every week for your entertainment, but also to help writers with their own writing. And that's pretty much everything I've got for you guys today. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I am Nolan Michael Cruz, and I'll talk to you guys later. Ciao! It's quiet. Almost too quiet. I kinda missed the little bugger. I wonder when he's gonna get home. Maybe I'll text him.